The human tongue. It may look like just a small muscle inside the mouth, but in reality it is one of the most complex organs in the body. It is made of 8 muscles that give it remarkable flexibility, allowing us to speak clearly and move food during chewing and swallowing. The surface of the tongue is covered with thousands of tiny bumps called papillae, and inside them are taste buds that detect chemical signals from food and send them through nerves to the brain, which then identifies the taste as sweet, salty, sour, bitter, or umami. Interestingly, humans have between 2,000 and 8,000 taste buds, and these cells renew themselves every 10 to 14 days. But the surprising part is that much of our perception of flavor doesn't come from the tongue alone. It also relies heavily on the sense of smell, which is why food often tastes bland when you have a cold.